Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today I am sharing a perfect for summer Mediterranean pasta salad. It's plenty easy to make, and it's a winner for potlucks and barbecues. It's a wonderful flavor combination of fresh herbs, baby spinach, salty pancetta or bacon, briny olives, all tossed together in an olive oil zesty dressing. And with any pasta, it's important to season your water well with salt. And for our salad today, we're going to use a fusilli pasta. And fusilli pasta is a great pasta to use because it cooks up into great bite-sized pieces, and all those little ridges really hold the dressing. And we'll cook our pasta until it is al dente, meaning it has just a little bit of a bite left to it. And while your pasta is cooking, it's a good time to cook your bacon or pancetta. And you'll want to cook your bacon until it is crisp and the fat has rendered. And once your bacon is done, you can simply drain it on a paper towel lined plate. And once your pasta is cooked, you'll want to drain it and rinse it immediately under cold water until the pasta is cool, and then drain well. And now that our bacon is cooked and the pasta is draining, we're going to go ahead and mix up a zesty and bright dressing. It starts with some olive oil, some pungent red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, some fresh garlic, and some red chili flakes for a touch of heat, and of course a little bit of salt and pepper. And whisk this dressing until smooth. Now fresh herbs really make this salad shine, and today I'm using a combination of basil, oregano, and parsley. If you don't happen to have any fresh herbs, go ahead and use dried. Just be sure to use about 1/3 of the amount called for in the recipe. And to cut basil, you want to stack your basil leaves together in a little pile, roll them up tightly, and slice thinly. And just look at this lovely oregano. And some parsley. I prefer a flat leaf Italian parsley here for this recipe. However, this was what I was growing, so this is what we're going to use. I'm going to go ahead and stir the herbs into the dressing. I also really love the fresh baby spinach that is in this salad. It really helps to give it a nice texture. And just go ahead and remove any extra long stems that might be hanging around. And this spinach really just needs a bit of a chop. And we have some cherry tomatoes to add as well. I like to cut them in half, just so they're a little bit more friendly to eat. And I've got a little bit of red onion here to thinly slice. All right, and now it's time to put this lovely salad together. I like to mix it together in a bowl that's a little bigger than the serving bowl that I'm going to use. That way you can really toss it well and get everything combined. A really generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and of course that beautiful dressing. And that spinach will wilt down a little bit once it's combined with the vinegary dressing. And this salad is lovely for a potluck or barbecue. It can be left to sit out for a little bit longer than a traditional mayonnaise-based salad. And just look at those beautiful colors. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. We'll see you again.